Hi friends, welcome to Gallant IAS. So in your test series exam this weekend you'll be getting the first paper, okay, your first test based on CSAT. Okay, so I think we already discussed the importance of CSAT, right, in your prelims exam. Okay, so we will be conduct just like your prelims CSAT, we will be conducting the exams also. Okay, so I will give you an idea how to prepare for the coming CSAT test series exam. Okay, guys, now let's start with it. So friends, you all know our CSAT exam actually consists of two setup. We can actually divide the CSAT question paper into two equal halves. Okay, roughly into two equal halves. The first half is mostly based on comprehension, and the second half consists of all other topics like basic numeracy, logical analytical reasoning, data interpretation, reasoning. Likewise, it goes on. Okay, so I think most of you know how to solve the comprehension type questions. Okay, anyway, I will give you a tip to solve the comprehension type questions. First of all, read the paragraph very well, then go to questions. Okay, sometimes you will get answer for 2 to 3 questions, and if you didn't get the answer, again read the paragraph. Okay, once again read the paragraph, and in the second reading I'm sure that you will be getting all those answers, okay, based on the comprehension. And coming to the second part, that is the basic numeracy, logical and analytical reasoning. Okay, all those sections. Now check this chart. I think we already discussed about this chart. Okay, there is actually a video by Justin George sir about analyzing this CSAT previous year question papers. Okay, so in that chart you can see that most of the question had been asked from after comprehension. Of course, the 50% of the questions will be from comprehension, and in the next 50%, the majority of the question had been asked from basic numeracy, right? So the basic numeracy, and then comes logical and analytical reasoning. So we also designed our question paper like this. Okay, that means most of the questions will be from comprehension, basic numeracy, and logical and analytical reasoning. Okay, so you need to know how to solve all these types. Okay, so I think you all know how. I think you had done a good preparation on all those topics. Okay, based on basic numeracy, logical and analytical reasoning. Okay, so guys, I will give you a small tip, okay, in order to solve questions based on basic numeracy and logical analytical reasoning and all other types. So here, first of all, you need to read the question correctly, okay, thoroughly. So you need to read the question thoroughly, and next step you need to do is that sometimes you need to write all those points. Okay, in the questions there will be certain data given. Sometimes you need to write down that. So in your rough paper you need to write down all those data, then read the question once again, and then try to solve the question. Okay, so you won't miss any data. Okay, that's the most important advantage of reading the question second time, and then you can solve it. Okay, solve the question, and make sure that you do all these steps in the second set of reading only. Okay, that means you actually need to do two set of readings for your CSAT question paper. The first set of reading, in the first set of reading, you actually need to go roughly based on, you need to have a rough reading about all those questions from 1 to 80. You need to have a rough reading, and in that rough reading itself you can solve very easy questions, right? And in the second reading you can do all these tough questions. Okay, that means you actually need to do some calculation. So all those calculation type questions you can do in the second reading, and that will actually be saving a huge amount of time. Okay, so that you can cover all those 80 questions. Okay, so this should be your strategy, and I think I know that you guys can clear easily. Okay, that 33% of marks, you will be getting that 33% of marks very easily. I know that. Okay guys, so we will be discussing all this after your test. Okay, after your test, as usual we will be discussing all those questions. Okay, and we'll be giving that video to you guys. Okay, you guys don't need to worry if the exam is a little bit tough. Okay guys, all the best for your preparation, and I'm sure that you guys will clear this 33% of marks in the coming test series. Okay guys, thank you.